We just got this 2006 Suzuki Carry in. This one is especially cool. It's actually got the power dump box.
I heard they checking for me, no one checking on me, so I had to go run up a
All right, guys, as you know, we got the 2006 Suzuki Carry with the dump box and AC a few weeks back. We ordered all the accessories, the lift kit, wheels, tires, rear bumper, everything for this thing. It just arrived and we're gonna put it into the shop today and get at installing all the accessories. Later this afternoon, we're gonna have this thing out, ready to go. It's gonna look completely different. It's getting a lift kit, a 2-inch lift kit, new wheels, new tires, front coil springs to stiffen up the front end, and then also we're gonna try out a steering stabilizer on this one too as well. All the parts were ordered off of Mini 4x4. They offered tons of different products for these little trucks. They're very versatile. We did use Wheel Pros for the wheels that are going to be going on this thing, MSA 14-inch wheels. And yeah, this one's obviously pretty unique with having the dump box on it, but we're going to get at it right away. Oh, okay. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, we'll go get them. Yep.
Hey, get over here.
What? Hey, just because I'm small again does not mean
I need to steal you for a minute. I need to steal you for a minute.
Look lifted already.
Yeah, go up. Go up. Yeah, keep going. This shouldn't be too bad, right here, the shackles, make them longer, so they're probably around 3-inch lift kit. So, should take about 15-20 minutes. So, forward. Now I'll show you a difference between the new parts and the old parts. So usually this is what I usually put in, but now because we're working on a mini truck, this is mini spring. Big truck, big spring, small truck, small spring. So this is roughly how big we'll be replacing them, right? Well, there's a big difference. Yo, Adrian, you've done one of those last time, right?
Pardon?
You've done one of those? Which hole did you put it last time?
So you'll find out that the hardware is two different sizes, but I think we put it to the lowest.
Yeah, because this one goes the bottom hole, but this one I wasn't sure because those are the same size hole.
Yeah. What's that? I think it's cool for that's all that.
Hey, hardware, hardware, hardware. Look at this, no walk-in washers. Stupid fox. Pardon? Oh yeah. Silicone, brake slide, silicone. On the ground we could tighten the rest of it, but that's basically fucking almost done. Just gotta see if I got enough juice to compress those, but like I don't understand why. Are we putting new shocks on the back of that?
New shocks on the rear.
Yeah. Because now I'm extending it like fucking about this much. I'm compressing the shocks to go back in it, but they might fucking...
No, not that I know. We haven't done it on either of the other two.
And it raised it up?
Yeah, we did the same left, 2 inch, yeah.
That's more than 2 inch. Do you remember if they put it at the last hole or the second hole?
I don't know, but we can ask you, Trent, and put it in.
I asked him, I think he said right to the bottom hole, but like those fucking shocks are fucking compressing pretty high, right? So now the leaf springs are going to be like...
Yeah, that's what we did on the other two, yeah.
Okay. Because I fucking went up pretty high now. That's where you put it, right?
Yeah.
That will be fucking stretch.
Okay, so you're off your hoist now.
Oh, that's okay. It won't go nowhere.
And I don't know if they plan on taking this one off-road, but I usually take this off and put a hose. Because they went off-roading with the other ones.
Done. Just need to tighten those 4 bolts there.
Oh, drop shackles?
Yeah. Fucking easy.
How's that brake line?
Huh?
You have to bend the tab down the brake line?
I don't know. Now it is. Perfect. It's mint. Never been touched. Now we'll go do the front. It's probably going to take me about an hour or so. Hopefully. Ah, they don't slide open enough. Jump over here. You guys. The struts are fucking right here. And the bolts are right there. I don't know if you could see there, but.
For what?
To take the upper strut mount bolts, you gotta go through the cab. If you look right here, I'm gonna be pointing there with my hand. Right here. There's one bolt there and there's one bolt in the back. Ow. Sir, what kind of vehicle you got when you call 911? I got one of those little cargo fucking Suzuki shit. Yeah. Take this. Now I'm putting a spring compressor on it. I know it's a little spring. I could probably get somebody to sit on it, but you know, I'm gonna do the proper way. Yeah, just sits on the spring, puts tension on the spring. This is the new spring we're going to be putting. This is the old one. You could see there is, so you could see this is only a 10 millimeter spring, and the new one is 11 millimeter spring. I gotta put this fucker on. Going there. The adjustment is a little bit harder to do, but it's pretty easy. We'll get her on. Oh, fucking poor. Yeah. Trial there on the first one. Like, I don't even know if this will work, I'll be honest with you. There's no way in hell they use this, you know, like. Now we got the spring on the new strut. Now I'm putting a new upper lift strut spacer. So it was a little bit of fun journey to do the spring. So we tried a couple other different stuff. So now we'll just use the spring compressor for the next one and we might get faster. So when you take the wheels right here, right, all the 4 nuts, if you come right here close enough, it won't go in. They won't go on there like this. I'll show you on the other side there. It goes on. Yeah. Now it's gonna be stuck on my hoist because we gotta cut half the truck off. But we got the wheel on. Now you could see the minute I'm going to be dropping it off, it won't be clearing this part. So I already removed all the plastic that was here. So when I bring it on the ground, we could see how much clearing, how much trimming or I need to do or clearance. So this here will just gas. We'll probably go like this. But that's going to be the boss's choice. But that's how I would go. 4.5 inches in. Fucking came flying out of my pocket or something. The ground, we put the wheels in. You could see the wheels are towed in camber. So Bruce is gonna have to do a little alignment finesse on it, make sure everything is good. There is some trimming on the bumper there we'll have to do, and this is what it looks like after it's done. 3-inch lift kit, 2.5 with big tires.
All right, guys, I just pulled out the Suzuki Carry. I got it sitting in here behind me. Late last night we finished up the lift kit, the wheels, tires, all the accessories you see on it. And this morning we got at doing the alignment on it. So this thing is sitting here, it's completely done. It got the 2-inch lift kit, new wheels, new tires, a front coil spring 300-pound rating, so it takes a lot of the body roll out of the truck. This thing is sitting here, it's ready to be off-road, on-road, whatever you want to use this thing for. I had some pretty high intentions of this one being the dump box, but we actually ended up selling this one. So it's going to a new home, and yeah, I think it turned out awesome.